Hey guys! Welcome to my first video here in this group. Gonna just do a quick little thing on how to change a shower head. A lot of times things are easier than you might think that they are. So here we go. Things you'll need to do this is Teflon tape. You can just get it in the hardware store or Home Depot or order it online so you don't have to go anywhere. And a pair of channel locks. So, pretty simple. Just take your channel locks and you want to adjust them so that they're an appropriate width, opening width here. And just twist it off, twist it to the left. A little water might come out, but that's okay. Just twist it. Oh, shit. So, now your shower head is off, and you're probably wet if you did it right. And we're just gonna clean the thread. Sometimes it has old Teflon tape, or none at all. The Teflon tape just really makes it so that it doesn't leak. So, just take it here, make sure it's flat and not all crinkled. And then just start at the base and just go around the whole thing like one time, 2 times, make sure it's flat. And then just rip it off, smooth it out so it goes in all the threads and doesn't leak. And then I'm just gonna put the old one back on because I like our shower head. Just be careful because the floor is now slippery. And you just put it on. Sometimes you can just hand tighten it to get it started. Just like that. And then just to finish it off, you'll use your channel locks. Ooh. And that's it. You don't want it too tight. You don't want to squeeze too tight because then you'll mess up the shower head. But that's it. And let's check if it leaks. Comes out here. No leaks here. So, which way? Okay. That's it. Pretty simple. All right. I'm going to do kitchen faucet next. A little more complicated, but pretty excited. Okay. Bye. I don't know how to turn this off. Uh-oh. Oop, finish.